Hi everyone! So, andito ako ngayon sa Smdc showroom. Okay, so I'm going out. So, I will show you our construction update. Okay, so as of now, we are almost done sa building A. And building B, nag-top off na po kami weeks ago. Okay, so it's a 7 or it's an 8 building project. A very nice project by Smdc. So it's called Lane Residences. So as you can see, sobrang lapit lang sa mall. Tawid lang kayo. Yan ang project namin. Okay. So that's building A, B, and C. Si D, E, F is dun sa area na yon. Okay. Si G and H naman is sa likod ng B. So all in all, we have 8 towers. We have 7 swimming pools, we have a clubhouse, and we have resort type and hotel like lobby. So each building, my own lobby po kami. Okay? So sobrang lapit lang ng mall. Yan yung tawiran papunta sa mall. Okay? So your biggest market is the the SMX convention. Okay? Pag may national convention sa SMX, fully book ang hotels ng Davao. So you can have your units rented out. Okay? So katabi niya is the hospital. The Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital, as you can see, patapos na rin siya. The signage is up already. LPDHI. Okay. So that's one of your market then for rental business for your renters. Yan. So guys, if you're still undecided, I suggest you I highly recommend you get a unit na habang may units pa. At take advantage because right now we have a 10% discount on all our available units. Okay? So we have studio with balcony facing Samal available. We have 2BR with balconies. We have flexi suite. All of those have 10% discount. Okay, so ang price range niya or ang monthly amortization rate niya is around 14,000 up. Yes. And you only need to reserve the unit at 15,000 pesos. After nyan, after 2 months, while we verify all your documents, you start your monthly amortization by January pa. Okay? So guys, invest na kayo habang may units pa. Thank you!